Gonna be completely honest, today I literally just smacked my desk a couple of times. Like, I was recording sound effects for my game, Tricks and Treaty, and honestly, I just like I just kept dropping stuff on my desk and was thinking to myself, "Wow, this could make for a pretty good sound effect in the game." And honestly, doesn't sound that bad. I think out of context, saying I just hit my desk to make this sound does sound pretty bad, and I would not encourage you doing that. I mean, I didn't hit it hard, but like in game, I actually really like it. It's a very satisfying sound for, for hitting a desk. But it's very satisfying. I like it.